Hello, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to show you what are all the items that are going to cover in cold process, hot process and melt and pour soap making offline class. So this is my institute classroom, and here you can see this is cold process soap, and in cups you can see that is herbal soap made in hot process, and also in the mold you can see that is milk soap and one is some puree soap. So one puree soap, one milk soap and the swirl soap will be covered in the offline class. So these are cold process soap, and depending upon the student strength also we will be increasing the soap varieties. So usually we will be taking minimum of 2 members and maximum of 10 members, but right now due to COVID conditions we are taking only personal classes. So personal classes are specially for the person who is registered for the class. So you can come and learn the course. It's a 3 to 4 hours class. It starts from 2 o'clock and end by 5 or 5:30. And we have a group class also. If you are interested, like if you have your friends or relatives who wants to attend the same workshop, you all together can come and you will avail a discount also. So here we are making cold process soap. Just some clips I am attaching here. That is done in my last workshop. So if any one of you are interested to attend the cold process soap making workshop, or any type of skincare workshop, like we have lotions, gels, scrubs and all types of mostly cosmetic making classes, offline and online both are available. If you are not in Hyderabad, and even if you are in Hyderabad and want to attend only online classes, we have online classes in a very well structured manner. So if you are interested, you can contact me. The number is given in the description. Thank you.